Welcome to our 2025 Shopify SEO Optimization Guide for beginners. If you have just launched your Shopify store or want more traffic and sales, this step-by-step guide is your roadmap to success. So let's get started. Our step number 1 is set up your Shopify basics. Start with a fast, mobile responsive Shopify theme. Make sure your domain name is short, brandable, and includes a keyword if possible. It's important to understand how SEO on Shopify differs slightly from other platforms. Moving on towards the next step, which is keyword research. To get traffic, you must know what your customers are searching for. For keyword research, you can use free tools such as Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and ChatGPT. ChatGPT can use especially for brainstorming. Number 2, focus on long tail keywords. Instead of shoes, go for women's vegan running shoes. These are less competitive and more specific. Number 3, analyze your competitors. Search your product in Google. Look at the top 5 results. Inspect titles, meta descriptions, keyword usage. Step number 3, on-page SEO. Make sure your product titles, meta descriptions, and URLs are optimized. Keep them clear, concise, and keyword-rich, but still natural sounding. Don't forget alternative text for images that helps with image searching ranks. Step number 4, internal linking and navigation. Make sure website simple to navigate. Use a clean menu structure, link related products, and create collection pages to guide users smoothly through your store. A good rule of thumb is to keep everything no more than 3 clicks away from your homepage. This helps both visitors and Google crawl your site easily. Step 5, content marketing. Start a blog on your Shopify store. This isn't just about writing for fun. It's a great way to target long-tail keywords and answer customer questions. Step 6, SEO tools and apps. Install SEO apps like Plugin SEO or Smart SEO to simplify the process. These tools scan your site, find issues, and give suggestions you can fix in minutes. Also, set up Google Search Console. It's free and lets you track how Google sees your store, what's indexed, and any SEO errors you need to fix. Step number 7, backlinks and reviews. Build backlinks by collaborating with blogs, getting listed in relevant directories, or reaching out to influencers. The more quality links you have, the higher your authority in Google's eyes. Also, collect customer reviews. Not only do they build trust, but Google often displays them as rich snippets, boosting your click-through rate. Step number 8, clean up broken links. Regularly check for broken links using tools like Broken Link Checker. Fix or remove dead links to keep your site healthy for SEO. Broken links create a poor user experience and signal to Google that your site isn't maintained, which can hurt your rankings over time. Make this part of your monthly SEO routine. Step number 9, optimize for core web. Google now prioritizes user experience through core web vitals. Use tools like PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix to check your website's loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability. Compress images, remove unnecessary apps, and enable lazy loading to make your Shopify store faster and smoother for visitors. Step 10, mobile optimization. Most Shopify traffic comes from mobile devices, especially in 2025. Test your store on different smartphones and tablets. Use large, tappable buttons, ensure text is readable without zooming, and keep navigation simple. Remember, if your site isn't mobile friendly, you are losing sales and Google will rank you lower. Step 11. If you have a physical store or offer local services, optimize for local SEO, create or claim your Google Businesses profile, add your location to your website footer, and get listed in local business directories. Use keywords that include your city or neighborhood to attract nearby customers who are ready to buy. Step 12, voice search. More customers are using voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to search for products. Optimize for natural conversational queries. Think of how someone would ask a question aloud. Add an frequently asked questions section to your product pages or blogs with short, clear answers to capture these voice search opportunities. Step number 13, Schema Markup. Add structured data to your Shopify store using apps like Smart SEO. This helps Google understand your content better and display rich results like product ratings, prices, stock status, and frequently asked questions directly in search results. Rich snippets can boost click-through rates and trust. Step 14. Optimize checkout and cart pages. SEO isn't just about traffic, it's also about conversations. Make sure your cart and checkout pages are optimized for speed, security, and ease of use. Use trust signals like secure badges, offer guest checkout options, and remove any unnecessary steps. A smooth checkout process reduces bounce rates. Step 15. Monitor, analyze, and update. SEO is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Use Google Analytics, Search Console, and Shopify reports to monitor your traffic, keywords, and user behavior. Track which pages perform best, identify where visitors drop off, and update your content regularly to stay competitive. Always keep an eye on SEO trends. That's it for today. Follow these steps and you will set up your Shopify store for SEO success in 2025. Also remember, SEO takes time but pays off long term. Keep learning, keep testing, and watch your traffic and sales grow. If you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share it with a fellow entrepreneur. If you got any queries, drop them in the comments. We are always here to help you.